All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in for another Playmobil unboxing and review video. Today we've got for you, whoa, hey, that worked during rehearsal, the country singer. Let's check it out. Man, it sure has been a while since we posted anything new on this channel, but we appreciate you and everyone who has subscribed and hung around, patiently waiting for a new episode. And here we are. We finally moved into our own place 8 months after moving to Florida, where all of our videos this year are filmed, so hopefully we'll have more time to get more reviews posted for your viewing pleasure. So without further ado, let us take a look at today's Playmobil collection. This is set number 71184, the Country Singer Gift Set. Now this set took me by surprise. Up until a few months ago, I hadn't even seen the 2023 Playmobil catalog and therefore was very unaware of the new sets that are available presently. I walked into a locally owned shop in Virginia that carries Playmobil, and as soon as I laid eyes on this, I picked it right up. I don't even like country music, but was attracted by the set's theme. This is a gift set, as you can see from the gift tag printed on the box. Simply write to whom the gift is for and, optionally, who the gift is from right there on the package. Playmobil gift sets save on wrapping paper and thus protect the environment. I do appreciate Playmobil's commitment to being economically and environmentally conscious by using recycled materials in their products. It's important for all of us to act locally but think globally in our collective effort to save our planet. So please recycle. The front of the package presents our country singer in some classic country star clothing, holding a blue acoustic guitar and performing in front of a golden microphone. I really like how the gold microphone complements the golden highlights of the singer's outfit. The set includes everything our budding country star needs to put on a stellar solo performance. Items like the purse, songbook, or Bible, speaker, and other instruments all contribute to the authenticity of the overall theme of the playset. To the left is the perforated tab that provides a clean opening for access to your toys. To the right is a condensed version of the front image. The bottom has the standard choking hazard warnings in various languages, the barcode, and a reminder to please recycle. The top shows the country of origin and distribution. The back of the box shows the package contents photographed separately. As you can see, there are 2 sticks of lipstick not presented on the front. Also, the speaker consists of 2 parts. But enough of the box details, let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Bagged up with the other items is the rug. This looks like a typical Western rug. You've got a animal hide of some kind. I'm not really sure what that is. But I don't know. If you think you know what it is, leave a comment below. I'd like to know. Like I said, I don't really do much with country-themed anything. So set me straight. Let me know what this is. Then also not included inside the bagged items that are right here, we have the decals that go onto your speaker to make it complete. The other thing, if you're either new to Playmobil or haven't gotten anything from 2023 yet, this is the new thing. The plastic bags that contain your items are now made with 100% recycled plastic, which is fantastic. Way to go, Playmobil. Okay, so first of all, we have our Clicky. Okay, and here she is. I do have workmen outside mowing the grass and weed eating right now, so I apologize if you hear the buzzing in the background, but here is our country music singer gift set opened and assembled, and here's her bouquet of flowers that we're just going to put right by her feet there. Yeah, I really like this set. It's really hard for me to say I don't like a set, but I might find a flaw or two, but I don't see anything wrong with this one. In fact, just to complete it, I've got the Series 23 fiddle player, and I really love him, and so I thought he'd be a really cool addition. As I destroy the... Alright everybody, this is it for our unboxing and review of the Playmobil Country Singer gift set. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more future Playmobil content. Also, feel free to subscribe to us on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af, and we will be posting another video soon. So look out for that, and until then, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.